In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the slow internet speed in Windows 11. And if you're going through any kind of an issue with the internet speed, if it is completely disconnecting or it's completely low, and this is what we have to do. So the first thing what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search. We need to type here for CMD and make sure that you have to click on Run as Administrator. And what you need to do is we have to just go for yes. Now, this is the CMD where we give commands over here. And right now, we need to command first. So the command is we need to type ping, that called ping, then put a space and go for 8.8.8.8. Now you just need to press enter. Now right now, just wait for a couple of seconds. It is going to give you to this. Now from here, we need to type one more value, that is ping, that called ping. Then you have to put a space, go for 1.1.1.1, and you have to just press enter. And right now we can see this, and this is what we have to do. Right now for the 8.8.8, I have an average of 19 milliseconds. And for 1.1, I'm having an average of 5 milliseconds. So the lower the value, the much speeder. So I have to select this particular value here. Now don't close this, you can minimize this over here. And right now we need to go over here in the search, and we need to type here for control panel, and you have to click on this. Now, once you get into this, make sure that you set this to category. It might be either large icons or small icons. If that is the case, change this to the category and go to the network and internet. From here, navigate to the network and add sharing center. And right now, from here, click on change adapter settings. Now, that is going to take you to this. For this is very important. So for some users might be using the Wi-Fi. If that is the case, you have to go over here, right click and navigate to the properties. In my case, I'm using an Ethernet, so I have to go over here, right-click, and you have to go to the properties. Now, once you get into this, you have to navigate to the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and click on the properties. Now, from here, we need to give value, so this is how it looks like. Now, what you need to do is we have to go to the CMD here and do a comparison here. And right now, we can see for the ping 8.8.8.8, I'm having an average of 19 milliseconds. And also for 1.1.1.1 and having average of 5 milliseconds. So I have to select this particular value. So it differs from person to person. For me, it's good speed with 1.1. So to the users, if you're having the good speed with 8.8.8, what you need to do is we have to go over here and give the value 8.8.8.8 and go for 8.8.4.4. And this is what we have to do. But for some users, they might be having 1.1.1. If that is the case, you have to just remove everything from here. And I'll be giving you this. That is 1.1.1.1 and go for 1.0.0.1. And this is what we have to get. And just go for OK. After you give this value here, just wait for a couple of seconds and you have to close this and you have to check with it. But sometimes if that is not the case, what you need to do is we have to make firmware changes. That is all about. We have to go over here. You have to do the same on the control panel. Go to the network and internet sharing center. And right now, click on change adapter 7. Just follow the same instruction. So if you're on the Wi-Fi, right click and navigate to the properties. And if you're on the Ethernet, you have to right click and what you need to do is go to the properties. And from here, you have to click on the configure. Now, when you click on the configure, as you can see, go to the advanced. And even if you scroll it down, you'll be able to find over here something. Just check whether you have anything over here called preferred bandwidth. For some users, they might be having this because I'm not on Wi-Fi, so that is the reason I'm not having this. So if you're having a preferred bandwidth, you have to select it and set this to the 5G and go for the OK, and you have to check. At the same time, after setting to the 5G, if your internet is not connecting, then just change back it as it is a default one. Then what you need to do is you have to close this as well. Once everything closed, we need to try one more step in the CMD. We have to just close it and we have to go over here, type here for CMD once again and make sure that you click on Run as Administrator here. And we just need to run one more command. That is all about. Once the CMD pop up, we need to type ipconfig. Then we have to put a space, then go for flush DNS and you have to just press enter. Once it is done, we have to do a restart and we have to check, and this is what we have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.